Starting an online business was very similar to when you would dive into a cold swimming pool, right? At first, it's a shock to the system and you feel like, oh, I need to get out of it. I need to go to the comfort zone. But the longer you stay in it, you start to climatize and you start to get used to that temperature. And before you know it, you are encouraging the people that's standing outside of the pool to come in because it's not so bad. The water is quite nice. And that's exactly what I found with starting an online business. In the beginning, I was completely overwhelmed because I had zero knowledge, zero followings, and I was scared to just jump in and not knowing what I was in for, right? But the longer I spent inside of this program, the more I found that anybody can do it. It's so beginner friendly. You just follow a simple blueprint, literally spoon feeding you with what you have to do day to day, what kind of content to create, because you literally get a daily mentorship video from our mentor telling you what to do and how to get on the road to 30K in 90 days. So if you're sitting wondering or contemplating of starting an online business to start earning that predictable stream of income in US dollars, then I want to encourage you and give you hope that this program is simple to follow and just requires 2 hours a day from your time that you can invest in your money generating activity. So if you want to learn more about the blueprint that I followed, then drop a yes in my comments because I'm absolutely going to share it with you.